Well, remember
It's good to see you out, hon.
Oh, thank you.
So good to see you.
Oh.
the one road light he had was white? Then he got the black one.
Let's go, Sarah. Come here.
Yeah. What up, senorita? What's up, brother? Hey. Huh.
I never seen your
Show your own
your time and stuff.
I never posted anything. Nah.
Because I saw the thing and I said,
Nah, why? These guys were talking and they wanted to go, and I was like, well, I'll put something in patches. I'll just say something to see if anybody else had anything already set up. And then, well, because Jerry had messaged me after we were talking about it, and he says, yeah, we're talking about doing tacos so Sean can go. And I was like, oh, dude, Wade and Robert want to go to barbecue in Florence. He's like, oh, dude, that sounds good. And then Cindy puts up yeah, we got family, so we're going to tacos. I was like, all right.
Yeah.
So I didn't, and then Enrique messaged me, hey, are you still going? I was like, yeah. He's like, what time? I said, yeah.
Well, I figured that was a deal. Like, people knew what was going on, so they could
If
text
you, yeah, see if you wanted to go or not. Yeah, I ain't begging nobody to ride. I mean, that's, if you want to ride, you ride. If not, I know people got shit they got to do. They got, you know. Would have reached to before my dicky did.
You got a dicky dude?
There's a lot of things, but a hog.
Yeah. No, I ride a hog. I don't have a hog.
Technically, it's a pee-pee.
that's where Wade was sitting down when all the hands were.
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that. Especially all the rain.
Robert on the way up, you should probably take it easy today.
Probably too early in the morning.
Because we just don't know what the fuck is up there. And I'd hate to go through a corner. So there's shit.
No, Florence is straight, dude.
I'm just saying, like,
I know.
I'm saying I like my little man and I don't want to see him hurt. Especially since you fucking found out the barbecue's over like fast.
Yeah. Oh, left side. Yeah. Oh, that's fine. There ain't no ants down there.
No, I'm just making sure because last time that didn't go so well.
They were down.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. I had one bite on my ball sack.
Why is Wade dancing on his bike? Why is he smacking the balls for? Oh, really?
Well, that could be anything, really.
Yeah, we're almost there. We're just parked wrong. Red, white, and blue? Yeah. It's either red, blue, white, or blue, red, white. White, red, blue. Chrome. What is it, Fat Boy? The anniversary.
The ghost, whatever.
Yeah, I think it's gaudy as hell. Yeah.
Well, it's not the first, it's not a new idea. There's been chromed out bikes before.
Yeah.
Completely chromed out.
That was the first year it came out. I paid $11,000 for it back in 1990. I had it for 8 years. I can't remember how many miles on it, and I sold it for $18,000.
Oh shit!
Fucking back then, you know, Hollies were
They increased in value.
Yeah.
Now they swamp the market there, so
Yeah.
you can't get no friggin'
You can get them $4 or $5 grand. What time is it?
8:46 or 7:46.
Oh.
Time to go.
Wait a few more minutes to see if Lewis shows. If not, we'll be there.
Enrique wasn't coming.
He asked what time. I told him what time. So I figured we'd wait a little bit, give it a few more minutes, see if Lewis or...
Last time I was fat and had to try it all. This time I know it's really fucking good and I'm just gonna get it all.
I know I was all over the menu last night.
This time I choose to.
Exactly.
He ain't coming.
Who?
Lewis.
Okay.
Hey kid, don't
never let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
It's telling me I can't go over a certain RPM.
Because of the what?
Air pressure?
Air.
Oh, I got you.
We just stopped by to get some air. We all need some air right now. Getting a little. How you feel about that? Well, we needed air. You need some air too?
I got plenty of air, thank you.
Me too, I'm just right there with you. If we could bottle that, man, we'd be rich.
Yep.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite, they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live fight for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be with it. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be with it. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
The bag that they had out was good. The bag they had out was
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of contradicts the other one.
That's fine.
18? 7. You don't have to. You don't need toast. All right, you're good right here, buddy. I'm gonna pull this little chair up here. You sure? Yes, sir. I'm willing to. You're the guest, buddy. I got you. You already do me enough favor by cooking me my meal.
Are you guys okay with the chair on the end?
Oh yeah.
If you need it, let me know. How are you?
wings, sriracha honey.
Sounds good. Sriracha honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta remember inside voice, outside voice.
Right?
Huh.
Yeah. Is this a Halloween decoration store?
No, it's Ace.
Oh, it's an Ace Hardware.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. It's over too. You can look in there.
Oh, I'd love to have that.
That lantern thing, yeah.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
It's an old school Ace Hardware, huh?
Yeah. They're closed though.
Yeah, some guy just walked up and tried the door.
Yeah.
He's like, it says they open at 7:30, but not on Sunday, they're closed.
Definitely.
We're going up 60, and if we gotta turn around in Miami, we'll come back down 60 and go to
Yeah, we could do that. So where are you gonna fill up the gas? You ain't gonna make it all the way to Globe, are you?
Yeah.
You will make it all the way to Globe? Yeah, Globe ain't really
No.
too far. Once we hit 60.
Well, I'll decide in Superior if I need
Superior.
gas there.
I like that. Please come in or we both starve.
Yeah.
The sign right
Sign you're standing on. Right here. It says, please come in or we both starve.
I don't know if they, because it seems like, what they...
Got the new chin spoiler.
You're never gonna get her off a horse just to go riding.
She's already riding.
I'm saying 52, yeah, fender.